Hi, this is a top tip for budget travelers. I'm at the Ikea restaurant. See that? In Greenwich, okay? And the trick with Ikea is you can sign up for a family membership, okay? All you do is go onto their website and join to become a family member, and they send you a barcode, okay? And at nearly every store, bar Hammersmith and the one in Aberdeen, you can get free tea and coffee. They've got also special menus sometimes, but it's subject to availability. And I'm upstairs in Greenwich, and they don't seem to have the special meals available that are on the website, but you can get free tea and coffee. So I've got a cup of milky tea. So all you do is queue up at the cash desk, scan your barcode in, and go and help yourself to a cup of tea, all for free. So yeah, free tea and coffee, Ikea restaurants. Much needed because it's freezing cold outside.